I have done. Present perfect tense. Her clothes are dirty. She is washing the clothes. She has washed the clothes. In the sentence, she has washed the clothes, has washed is the present perfect tense. The present perfect tense is used to talk about things that have happened in the past, but we do not say when they happened. We make the present perfect tense of any verb with have or has plus the past participle. Remember the patterns and spelling rules in this box. Let's take a look at some common past participles that you will use. What has she done today? She has washed her hair. She has brushed her teeth. She has cleaned the kitchen. She has eaten lunch. She has written an email. Here is the past participle form of many common irregular verbs. Examples: they have played video games today. Alice likes to travel around the world. She has been to 10 countries so far. Tony isn't hungry. He has eaten breakfast. Gina is happy because she has bought a new car. The children have finished their homework. They are playing outside. You should see the movie. I have seen it many times. Questions and answers. Remember the patterns in this box. Here are some examples of asking questions using the present perfect tense. Has Rachel been to Japan? Have we drunk all the milk? Has your friend called you? Have they bought a cake for the party? Has the train arrived yet? Have I done something wrong? Have you ever? Have you ever flown in a plane? Yes, I have. Or, no, I haven't. Have you ever ridden a motorcycle? Have you ever swum in the sea? Comprehension.
Tom and his sister Lily have had a busy morning. Their parents have gone to the supermarket, so they are helping at home. They have cleaned the kitchen and watered the plants. Tom has washed the dishes and has taken out the trash. Lily has made lunch and has mopped the floor. They have both finished their homework and they have fed the dog. Their grandma has visited them today. She has brought some cookies and juice. Tom and Lily have eaten some cookies already. Now, everyone is relaxing. It has been a good morning.
Have Tom and Lily cleaned the kitchen? Yes, they have. Have they watered the plants? Yes, they have. Have their parents gone to the hospital? No, they haven't. Has Tom washed the car? No, he hasn't. Has he taken out the trash? Yes, he has. Has Lily made lunch? Yes, she has. Have Tom and Lily watched TV? No, they haven't. Has it been a good day? Yes, it has.